Hello everyone, welcome to our video class section of class 2 biology. Here I am discussing some MCQ questions from our study material. In our study material, first and second chapter are together seeing. First chapter is reproduction organism and the second chapter is sexual reproduction flowering plants. Okay, I gave you the images of the questions what I am discussing. First question is suckers emerges from the rhizomes in. Suckers emerges from the rhizomes in. Options are potato and water hyacinth, banana and chrysanthemum, gingers and agave, agave and bryophyllum. Okay, the sucker type of vegetative propagation seen in banana and chrysanthemum. In potato, eye is helping, and water hyacinth offset is helping, and agave bulbils are helping for the vegetative propagation. Clear at us. Next question is water hyacinth reproduces by. Water hyacinth reproduces by. Options are offset, rhizome, bulb, comb. Water hyacinths are reproduces by offset type. Okay. Next question. Among apes, rat, dog, monkey, sheep, deer, cow, human and tiger, how many are non-primates mammal showing estrous cycle? So I told you that the organism which having the sexual reproduction period, they are showing the estrous cycle or the menstrual cycle. In case of the primates, they are showing menstrual cycle, and in the case of non-primates, they are showing estrous cycle. So here given apes are included in the primate. Okay, so apes, monkey, humans, all these are included in the group of primates. But rat, dog, sheep, deer, cow and tiger, they are not primates. Okay, so they have this shows estrous cycle in their life cycle. So here given the option 4, 7, 6, 3. So the number is 6. Clear. Next is homogametes with flagella are seen in. Homogametes means the gametes are looks similar. Okay, that is homogametes. So homogametes with flagellas are seen in Fucus, Spirogyra, Chara, Cladophora. So which is the correct answer? Cladophora is the correct answer. In the case of Cladophora, the homogametes with flagella are seen. Okay, next question is read the statements A to E. Fungal members and simple plants like algae reproduce sexually by means of zoospores. Hydra reproduces by fragmentation. Adventitious leaf buds are common in bryophyllum. Runner, tuber, offset and bulbil are the common vegetative propagates seen in angiosperm for reproduction. Conidia are seen in penicillium and sponge. Okay, so here the question is how many of the above statements are correct. So we have to find out which statement having the false one, okay, or wrong one. So we know the fact that conidia are seen in penicillium. Conidia are seen in penicillium and not in the sponge. Sponges, in case of sponges, gemmules. Okay, so the statement is wrong. On that way, here given that zoospores are sexual spores. So zoospores are the asexual spores. So from this we can find out that only three statements are correct. When you get the images of these questions, you find out which of the statements are correct one. Okay, so here the three statements are the correct one. The next question is which one of the following is not a correct statement? Correct statement. Asexual reproduction results clone. That's the correct one. Okay. Cell division is the mode of reproduction seen in Monerian and Protestant parent cells. So that was the correct one. Asexual budding is seen in yeast, hydra and potato. Asexual budding seen in yeast is hydra and potato. That is also the correct one. Then the next is encystation and sporulations are seen in sponges. Encystation means the formation of the cyst. Okay, so that type of cyst which help for the formation of spores. So that type of sporulation is not seen in the sponges. Encystation and the sporulation seen in amoeba. Okay, in case of sponges, there takes place. What does it takes place in sponges? Gemmule formation will takes place. Next question is select the wrong statement. There is no normal death in single cell organism as they are immortal. Lifespan of organisms are correlated with their body size. Approximate lifespan of tortoise is 100 to 150 years. Reproduction enables the continuity of the species. So what was the answer? Lifespan of organisms are correlated with their body size. Okay, so that was a wrong statement because the lifespan of the organisms are not correlated with their body size. Clear it is. Then the next question is here given. Match the name of the organism column 1 with column 2 and they are given the mode of sexuality in column 3. So column 1 having some name, column 2 having another name, and column 3. So asking you to which one of the column 1, 2, 3 and which are matching, and you put the tick mark which one is correct one. So column 1 Markensia. In column 2 they are given near to Markensia given that Archegoniophore and Anthrodiophore and monoecious. Okay, so when the Archegoniophore and Anthrodiophores are present, it will not be a monoecious, it will be a dioecious. Clear it is. Next is cockroach. Testis and ovary bisexual. So testis and ovary, it will be seeing it is a unisexual. It is not a bisexual, unisexual organism. Then chara, Oogonium, Anthridium, dioecious. Though Oogonium and Anthridium are seeing, they are not dioecious, they are monoecious. Earthworm, testis and ovary bisexual. So that is the right one. Earthworm, testis and ovary seen in the same organism and they are bisexual. Okay, then the next question is maize. In the incorrectly matched pair of chromosome number in meiocyte. Okay, I think I gave you the number of meiocyte chart to study. The question is in the incorrectly matched pair of chromosome number in meiocyte. Okay, so maize 20 chromosomes, dog 78 chromosome, butterfly 630 chromosome, housefly 12 chromosome. The question is which one is incorrectly matched. So you have to be find out the incorrectly matched one. First of all, you study the chromosome number in meiocyte thoroughly. Okay, so butterfly chromosome number. Butterfly, in the case of butterfly, the chromosome number in meiocyte. What was the chromosome number in meiocyte in case of butterfly? In case of butterfly, the chromosome number in meiocyte, that is 380. So that is wrong one. Clear. Next question is, consider the statements A to E. In most of the terrestrial organism, syngamy occurs inside the body. Male gametes are motile in internal fertilization. Egg production is significantly reduced in internal fertilization. In seed plants, male gametes are non-motile. Bony fishes and frogs reproduce by means of large number of gametes. So consider the statements A to E. The question is how many of the above statements are correct. Okay, so in this 5 statements are correct, only one wrong statement. Okay, the next question is, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Here gives cucurbits and coconuts and given monoecious. Homothalic and monoecious bisexual. Papaya and date palm bisexual. Sponge and leech hermaphrodites. So which is not correctly matched means papaya and date palm. Papaya and date palms are the example for the unisexual plant. They are not bisexual. Clear it is. So that is the wrong one.